If you're getting ready for the GED Language Arts test, let me give you a quick idea of what it's all about. The test covers three main areas: reading, grammar, and writing. Nothing too wild, just the core skills you'll actually use. You'll be reading longer stories, fixing up some grammar in short paragraphs, and writing a short essay based on a couple of passages. It might sound like a lot right now, but once you know what to expect, it's totally manageable. And that's where Onsego really helps. Our language arts course is designed specifically for the GED, which means you won't be wasting time on stuff that's not even on the test. Instead, you'll focus on building the exact reading, grammar, and writing skills you need to pass. The course is broken into 6 modules, and each one builds on the last. You'll start with the basics, things like punctuation, sentence structure, and common grammar mistakes, and then move on to reading strategies that help you handle those longer passages, plus everything you need to know to write a clear and well-organized essay. It's all laid out in a way that's simple to follow, even if it's been a while since you've studied. One of the things students really like is that the course adapts to you. At the beginning of each module, there's a little quiz called "Can I Skip It?" And if you already know the material, great. You can move ahead. And if not, you'll get the support you need to catch up without feeling overwhelmed. Each lesson walks you through the topic in a way that actually makes sense. You'll watch a short video that breaks things down step by step, then go over a written summary to reinforce it. After that, there's a quick quiz to help lock it in. And at the end of each module, you'll find a bigger practice test with explanations to make sure everything's clicking. Once you've gone through the lessons, you'll also get access to full-length practice tests that feel just like the real GED Language Arts test. That way, when test day rolls around, you're not caught off guard. You'll already be familiar with how it all works. Now let's talk about the essay, because that's the part that tends to stress people out the most. But it really doesn't have to be a big deal. Onsego includes a mini course that shows you how to approach it step by step. You'll learn how to plan your response, use a simple structure to stay on track, and avoid the common mistakes that can bring your score down. You also get access to our essay checker, which is a really handy tool. It gives you instant feedback on your writing. No waiting around or guessing. You'll practice with real-style prompts, just like the ones you'll see on the test. After you write your response, you paste it into the essay checker, and in just a couple of minutes, it gives you a detailed report on what's working and what could be improved. And don't worry, it sends that feedback straight to your email so you can come back to it whenever you want. Another thing to know is that the GED essay is graded by a computer, not a person. So the best way to get ready is by using software that works the same way. That's exactly what our essay checker does. And if you ever need more help, our instructors are keeping an eye on things and can step in with tips or extra resources to help you improve. The essay checker comes with our language arts course and is also included in the Advantage Plus and Pro plans. But if you're just looking to work on your essay, you can grab it separately too. So, if reading and writing haven't always been your favorite things, or if the idea of taking the test feels a little overwhelming, you're definitely not alone. Onsego is here to make it feel doable. With clear lessons, smart tools, and plenty of practice, you'll build the confidence you need to pass the GED Language Arts test and move on to whatever's next. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.